I want to teach you how to style OKUKU. Let's get started.
Dead baby. What's up?
Concentration, please. Concentration. I beg. Focus your eye on my hands. That is the key. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. This is requested video. I get many messages. Deg, teach us how to style OKUKU. Teach us how to style OKUKU. But if I upload the video, I will go concentrate on her eye. So just focus your eye on my hand because that is the only key. There is no how I can't carry you, put for inside my room, carry you, put for inside my bed, open your ear, or carry you, put for my house. Can't they teach you? Now your eye, now you take focus. You understand, sister, brother, anyone that want to learn this OKUKU? Because this OKUKU, I pay a lot of money while I take learner, and I sacrifice my time to practice and practice and practice. Now make I say una focus on her eye, so una go see the way I take the do one step by step. This one of today na 2 horn OKUKU. You know, say OKUKU, they get 1 horn, 2 horn, 4 horn, 6 horn, 6 horn. Any horn you feel you like to do depend on the style. This is what we call the trendy traditional marriage hair. You can use it as well for your photo shoots, like all this type of photo shoot, 40th photo shoot, 18th birthday photo shoot, 50th photo, anyone. If you want to present yourself as the queen. Yes, I base here in United Kingdom, London. No more wearing of cap. That cap where they wear, we don't leave that cap for cultural group. So people want to do my traditional marriage, they cannot pay for traditional OKUKU. They'll go, they wear the cap. Hello? Who send you? So, madam, sister, if your people want to do traditional, as far as it not be white wedding. Now, this one might be the mating. People still they pay for traditional bridal hair, OKUKU, till they do photo shoot. Not to talk about you want to do traditional marriage. Hey, now wow, stinginess sometimes. If anybody close to you cannot afford it, auntie, pay for them because it's worth it. This is the symbol of the day. Except if you are not from Edo. If you are not from Edo, we they do different tribe. You must stand and present your tribe on the day of your traditional marriage. Igbo traditional marriage, we dey do one. Go to my Instagram. Any tribe of traditional marriage, we dey do one. I hope una dey focus on her eye. I know say some people go distract now. They will come to my WhatsApp, come they ask me question of what I already video, what I already upload. That is the most annoying part of some of my followers and some people where they learn online. Me, I don't pay on different session of people where I take they learn all these things, where they bring coffee on for free. So the only thing they will give to me is video and my eye, nothing they wash them. Then I go practice. This video. If the woman will even teach me, if you see and say I just upload everything like this, he will even tell me, say, Deg, you don't want to make money. Tell them to come and pay before you send them video of everything. No. Me, I just decide to bring out many things for my people, my women, anybody can do it as handwork. But the thing is that most people don't take it serious. They don't know, say, if your hand is blessed with handwork, in fact, now anywhere you go, your hand there could they provide money. Now it could they now machine will they provide money for you. Now be your hand. Bible say, I will bless the works of your hand. If you cannot go school, learn work. And if you don't feel learn work, those days we will learn this work. Year 2000, we will learn this work. Not be so that they do this OKUKU. Until they call the upgrade down. That time the OKUKU very easy. Una go see the hardest part. Now we go soon reach now. if una like una focus. If you want more details, say my I can't carry you sit down, they explain this thing. That thing where I put for inside the attachments now gather. I can't put that for net cap. Net cap. Now I put for inside there where I can't use this with one take cover am. So right now horn, and this one they call horn. This thing where I hold for my hands when I be horn. Now we want to create 2 horn for today. I leave what I was doing to make sure I edit this video. You know, say to make video na another process. To edit na another process. This one I be the part 1. The part 1 is just how to sew it and all everything. Mona focus so. So the part 2 I can show now how I can put the design iron. We can make am fine, and the makeup now go be the part 2. The makeup I'll show now how to do the part 2. I'll show now the makeup and how to arrange the iron. You must know how to arrange that iron you want put for the part 2. Otherwise, your okuku no go resemble the latest one. If you sabi do okuku, especially you can't do foreign land, not be our country where we for the combo. Our country where for the is still the price is still high because I don't contact somebody for my mama say 60th birthday this year. The money the lowest money where they get, because I like to use people that have Instagram because I want to see that they do one. I don't want to take the risk, say say the person sabi do one. If you enter my Instagram, I just want to be the first thing, be my profile picture, because my people, it's not easy to do this okuku. It's not easy. For those of now where they wear cap, we don't live on for cultural group. Now people where they do cultural group, now they wear cap till they do their traditional marriage. Hello, for 2023, you could wear cap, sister, madam. Your daughter want do marriage, or your son they bring wife, and you know say you be from Edo. Like me now, I have 3 boys. Any wife where my children they carry, they come this house, they must do this okuku. Money no go be the problem in the name of Jesus. Don't let money be your problem. So, madam, pay. Water. Not be all those amala when I go they pay put. When I go leave the important thing, when I go they pay waiting not necessary. When I go they pay DJ, carry musician, carry everything. When I go leave the key parts of the ceremony. So, madam, pay put. If in case they say they don't get money, you are close to that person. Pay for the person. This thing, when I see the way they arrange the beat, that beat, you go take count 2. You go come take count round down, my people. Mona's focus. Oh God. Requested video, and now I did do so. This thing now hard work, but if you focus the way they do, another thing not dey. Once you focus, you can't get all the material how to do this okuku. It dey very easy. And if you want to get the material, many people don't know why it they cost. All these things what they use now the real Cora. Even the horn why I put now the real Cora. No, say everything they get plastic fake and real. This one now the real Cora meeting they dress my any Edo bride. I close my eye. If I want pack bead for your neck, get them for mine. Say you don't pack bead of what more than 2 million. Now they dress you for the outfit. Just have it in your mind that thing you have in your neck, your head, everything is more than 2 million. You understand? Because they use the real beat, the real Cora. So now see the way we take the arrange. That time we learn work, the year 2000. Nobody say we take learn this okuku. But me, anything we come at, as far as say the thing come at, I see and say somebody do one, I must go for it and learn now. That is what we call online class. I go there and I go there practice. I don't practice. Carry people sit down, practice. My people, I know the sacrifice. Then if I tell the people, some people say see the price, they will run. They'll go they find face cap. They look for plastic beads where they want to put for their head, plastic this thing where they want to put for their neck on their traditional marriage day. So this video goes to finish. In case you never subscribe or you dey watch me for Facebook, you never follow, you better subscribe to my YouTube channel because my Facebook dey very busy. If I drop the part 2, for you to quick see now YouTube that be the organized place. My YouTube channel now gele makeup all this thing they put there. But my Facebook, I dey post different thing. How to make money on Facebook or different thing, and they put different talk for there. You know, quick see the video if you define am. So now YouTube now be the organized place. So my people, my YouTube just hit 100,000 subscribe. Mona congratulate me. Oh, it's not easy to get 100,000 subscribe. Very soon we go celebrate am. So this is the final. See you on the continuation of the video for the makeup and how to set everything up. Bye bye for now. Mona contact me. Now my number dey there. Mona, I'm available to travel all over the world. Thank you. Bye.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup.